Bonjour and welcome to Tuesday Tips. You know, when you prep those beautiful plates of fruits during the summer, during spring, and you want to add a little bit something on top of it, maybe something a little bit more tasty than whipped cream. I like to put a whipped caramel on top of those foods. And whipped caramel is about 500 grams of sugar. So I put it on an induction stove here, and you can see it start cooking. So you have to stir it until all the sugar is melted. Then you can put 350 grams of cream and 150 grams of butter. So I have everything ready, and that's all the ingredients that you need. And you can do that the day before. So the day before you make the caramel, you cook it, and then you put it in the fridge overnight. And the next morning, you can whip it, and it's ready to put on top of the foods. So very simple, very fast, and a little bit different than just whipped cream. So the caramel is almost completely melted. I still have some little pieces of sugar, so I wait until those pieces of sugar go away, and then I'm going to add the cream and the butter. Okay, almost there. Now, this is very hot, so be careful if you do that at home. No kids in the kitchen when you do that, it's very dangerous. If a splash of caramel comes to your hands, put your hands in cold water. That will be my best advice. Faster you cool it down, less you get burned. Okay, so now I can see that all the sugar is melted. I'm going to start to add a tiny bit of cream at a time. And then I'm going to add the piece of butter slowly and bring everything back to a big boil. So as you can see, it starts boiling again. So I just reduce it for 30 seconds. You don't need to reduce it so much more, just to evaporate a little bit of that water. And then I'm going to put that into a bowl and put that into the refrigerator overnight. Bonjour, this is next day, 5 minutes later. So I'm going to take my caramel here. It's a lot thicker, as you can see, and I'm going to put it into my mixer. I wonder if the whisk is going to be okay with that. We're going to try. Okay. Let's put that here. Here we go. So I changed the whisk to the paddle, and I have a pretty nice emulsion here. Look at that. Look how nice it is, and how more clear the color is, and have a good flavor of caramel. Okay, so you can put that in different desserts, and I'm going to put that over some fruits just to show you, what to do with it. So I have just some berries here, very simple, and then you take a nice spoon of your caramel, put that on the middle. And the acidity of the fruits actually cut out some of the sweetness of the caramel, and it really elevates your plates of fruits. Easy to do, very fast, and delicious. Bon appétit.